Let's learn bubble sort in Python. First of all, I am importing the random module. Now I am defining a function to bubble sort. Let's see what is in the original array before sorting it. Let's now loop for each of the elements in the array. We need to check if the number at the front is greater than that at the back. If so, we need to swap those numbers. We repeat this for all elements. So let's generate the array with random numbers. I am trying to sort 10 elements. And voila, it is done.